Mission for Essential Drugs and Supplies is a faith-based organization. It's owned by the Churches of Kenya, and it specializes in supply chain of medical devices and medical products basically, and quality assurance services, where we have a WHO pre-qualified laboratory that does testing of pharmaceutical products. And also we have health advisory services as one of the services we offer, where we do capacity building and training of health workers. We chose Analabs because of, number one, the accreditation that they had at the time. This is one lab that is ISO 17025 2017 accredited. That resonates quite well with WHO pre-qualification, and that's one reason why we chose them. Number two, the range of services that they offered was a very good fit for what we lacked at the time. So we've engaged them on microbiology services and also unique techniques like atomic emission spectroscopy, which we had not had an opportunity to invest in. Number three, they're a professional organization with flexible hours, and they offer very good service. So they've had a very good reputation from some of the references that we had from them. And so that's why we chose to work with Analabs. Our engagement goes back about 7 years ago. Our quality control laboratory lacked capacity in microbiology testing. And being WHO pre-qualified, we needed to have or to partner with a laboratory that would be able to have a similar accreditation, and one which would be able to offer that service for us. There are not many labs that are ISO 17025 accredited, so Analabs was a very good fit at the time. They were able to offer the services that we needed, and so we engaged with them. I had heard of Analabs before, and I also knew that they were accredited by UCAS, the United Kingdom Accreditation Society. So we actually thought it was a good fit to partner, and for them to partner with them, and for Analabs to offer that service to us. I would talk about number one, professionalism. Having heard of Analabs before and having done some bit of research, they have well-trained staff in very unique techniques, especially in microbiology, and that gave us confidence in the results that probably would be getting before we started engaging them. And then number two, Analabs is well equipped. They're able to handle very complex tests in microbiology. Number three, they're very flexible. They work with the client so that in case there are any tailor-made solutions that are required, we'll be able to develop jointly with them and have protocols done that would then be consistently offered to us in future. So as our lab is expanding, their range of tests is also expanding with us, and I think that's for us is a plus. By actually engaging Analabs, we were able to increase our revenue pool, because we were able to increase our product offerings to our clients. Number two, we were also able to get better turnaround time. Being a local lab with such an accreditation, there was no need for meds to outsource the service to maybe a lab outside the country. So being a local lab, we were able to deliver the samples almost immediately, and we were able to get the results in good time. They're also very flexible in terms of their working hours. So we've seen that even during weekends or sometimes during public holidays where we needed services to be offered, maybe even on an emergency basis, Analabs have been very responsive, and we've been able to meet our own clients' needs just by having that arrangement where they work outside their normal working hours. So that has been a very good advantage for us. I would recommend Analabs to any organization that requires testing. They're very good prices, they're very open, very good customer service, and very good professionals working in their labs. So yes, without a doubt I would. I think maybe moving into the future, as the testing landscape keeps changing, it would be prudent for Analabs to also change and introduce new tests that will now be responsive to whatever is currently in the market. And I'm glad that with the investment that has already been made and the strategic direction that Analabs is taking, that would be something that we would be looking forward to in terms of working with Analabs in the future.